Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Luzerne County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Muhlenberg to near Rists, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hazelton, Berwick, West Hazelton, Freeland, Dorrance, Killingham, Nescopeck, Slocum, Whitehaven, and Shipsheney. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a...
Okay.